For over 15 years, DRW Life Skills Institute has been dedicated to holistic emotional intelligence education, helping individuals develop awareness, growth, and transformation. Today, we evolve. Welcome to DRW 2.0. In 2026, DRW Life Skills Institute becomes a school specialized in oncology massage education where clinical safety, emotional intelligence, and hands-on training come together to prepare massage therapists to work confidently, compassionately, and effectively with complex clients. This is more than a transition, it's a natural evolution in our mission, bringing emotional intelligence into clinical practice and expanding our impact within the massage therapy profession. We are here to train therapists who are not only skilled but aware, not only knowledgeable but present, not only certified but truly prepared to support clients when it matters most. Welcome to the next chapter, DRW 2.0. Thank you so much for being here. DRW Life Skills Institute is a school specialized in oncology massage education where clinical safety, emotional intelligence, and hands-on training come together to prepare massage therapists to work confidently, compassionately, and safely. My name is Wanda Bonet Gascon. I am an oncology massage educator, emotional intelligence specialist, and founder of DRW Life Skills Institute. I hold a degree in chemistry, an MBA, a doctorate in holistic nutrition, and a master in tokenization. Since 2009, I have served as an standardized patient at the University of Central Florida College of Medicine, training physicians in communication skills, including delivery of difficult diagnosed such cancer. My work bridges clinical safety, hands-on safety, and compassionate communication, helping massage therapists become specialized practitioners. DRW Life Skills Institute is a CEU approved provider in Florida since 2017, dedicated to deliver high quality training for massage therapists. We specialize in oncology massage education, offering a hands on, small group learning experience where clinical safety, emotional intelligence, and practical skills come together. Our flagship course is Introduction to Oncology Massage for licensed massage therapists. It's supported by a comprehensive curriculum designed to help therapists to practice to self complex clients and continue developing and growing a professional practice. Our curriculum, obviously the focus, the flagship is the oncology massage education, but we have several courses approved for CEUs. Those include effective stretching techniques, percussion therapy, massage gun, singing bowls therapy, mastering relaxation massage, holistic protocol for ADHD, holistic emotional intelligence, long-lasting massage practice, pregnancy massage, and coaching certification. This is just a few of the classes to support our oncology massage education to continue growing and developing strong and effective practices. The oncology massage education is a 12 live CEUs and is a hands-on specialized training. It's in small groups, 9 to 12 people, have a model that is the true three-role rotation. And we are going to be explaining that, but that is our signature education model. Obviously, the emotional intelligence integration, and at the end, the massage therapy receives a digital certification and also is part of our reward system. The class includes the foundation. That means understanding oncology massage, understanding answer, understanding the scope of practice of licensed massage therapies, the role of the massage therapy before, during, and after, setting the intentions, obviously understanding the myth of the around oncology massage and everything that is the base, the theory about the massage for people living with cancer. Then we have the part that is clinical awareness. This is overview of cancer treatments. We are going to talk about chemotherapy, radiation, surgery, the side effects and the impact on the massage, the different adaptation. Oncology massage is about how we adapt the massage techniques to our clients living with cancer. Each story of each cancer patient is different. That means that every massage is going to be different. You're going to have a toolbox full of tools to adapt your treatment, and you're going to see that live and experience that this is like a box of chocolate. You never know what you are going to get. You never know who you are going to meet. You never know who are you going to serve and who you're going to be there present to facilitate their healing process. And it's an amazing connection, just not in the physical touch, but energy wise, emotionally wise, how you could impact the process of someone that is going through living with cancer and how you could ease the process, just being there, just doing your job, but in a safely and really compassionate way. Obviously comes the emotional intelligence skills. You need emotional intelligence to communicate with your client. You need emotional intelligence to go through the process, to work with the attachments, to deal with the different situations that impact your life. And it's going to also detonate a lot of emotions on you. You know, you learn how to love the people, but you have to learn how to detach. You are going to be present, but you aren't going to get so involved. It's a lot of emotions that you need to know how to handle and manage during each of the encounters with people living with cancer. Also, their energy, how you are going to manage the energy in the encounter is so important. And this is why our emotional intelligence integration to the oncology massage education is vital, not only for the client, but for the therapist. Then we are going to have our hands-on. Our three role rotation is our signature education model that we are going to part in groups of three. That means that we're going to have the therapist, we're going to have the client, and we're going to have the observer. The therapist is going to do the intake, the assessment, also design and deliver the treatment. Each treatment is different and it's going to be based in the intake. Then the client, here is where the therapist is going to be able to experience, to create that scenario, probably based in a past experience, not a own experience, but probably one person that they know or a past client, you know, going to create that scenario and portray that character that is going to answer the questions of the therapist, and the therapist is going to be able to design the and deliver the treatment. And then we are going to have the observer. Observer is going to have a checklist and is going to evaluate the whole encounter, the intake, the deliver, everything. And it's going to give feedback real time. Then we are going to just switch and rotate, and every participant is going to have the opportunity to be the therapist, to be the client, and to be the observer in a safe and confidential learning environment. It's going to be amazing because it's how we learn. We are going to have the opportunity to be in the three roles. Each role is going to be different in different perspective, but it's going to give so much knowledge and practice to the student. We are going to learn, or you are going to learn so many in 12 hours. You are going to not only how to, but when to, and design the treatment and deliver the treatment and do the different adaptations with the tools that you are going to have in your toolbox. That means that you are going to have a lot of different options in your toolbox. What you are going to be using, how long is going to be the treatment, when is the best time to give treatment to the client, how you are going to make the appointments, what is your responsibility and what is the responsibility of the person living with cancer, and maybe what is the responsibility of the caregiver, and also when and how connect or contact the caregiver or maybe the health providers. It's a lot that you're going to be learning in this small group hands-on experience, and remember that is limited spaces. At the end, we are going to have clinical discussion, case study, and we're going to do all the integration, the closing, where you just not complete a class. You are going to receive, obviously, your 12 live CEUs. You are going to receive your digital certificate. This is technology. Something that I learned in all these years is that a lot of time people misplace their certificates, and then they call, hi, I need another copy of my certificate, or how I could get my certificate. Well, we are going to capitalize in technology to have digital certificate that is going to be there, and you always are going to be able to retrieve it. And also we are going to share with the participants our reward system, where you are going to be receiving DRW points that then later you are going to be able to use it for discounts in future classes with us, and also you are going to be learn how to redeem them. And it's a really a lot of innovation in our system. Obviously, I love massage therapy. I love oncology massage. I love emotional intelligence. I love education, but also I love technology. And one of my part of my curriculum is a master in tokenization that we are going to integrate, and we have integrated that in our business model. That means that you are going to be part of all this evolution as soon as you take one of our classes. Well, reserve your space. If you reserve your space already, thank you. It's going to be an honor to be part of your journey. Looking forward to meet you. Looking forward to have fun with you. Looking forward to grow with you. The courses, you could find all of them in cebroker.com. Every time that we schedule a new class, we post it in CE Broker, also in Eventbrite, in our social media. You could our page in Facebook, DRW Institute. We are in LinkedIn. We are in Instagram, TikTok, and X. This is my phone number. If you have any questions, you could contact me directly. I will answer your questions in regards to our classes, our curriculum, our schedule, any question that you may have that you need a little bit more to decide if this is a good fit for you. Again, we are a Florida approved CEU provider, number 50-13366 here in Orlando, Florida. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening. Thank you for be part of DRW Life Skills Institute, and see you in our next class Oncology Massage for licensed massage therapists.